Welcome. Today our journey will be taking us from Hop Street all the way to the Raytown community, where we're going to be examining some new developments that are taking place at downtown Kingston. As we progress, you can look on your extreme right to see what the walls look like and what they are going to look like in the future. Some minor development and infrastructural changes are taking place as we head towards the Raytown community, which is a fishing village. And you're going to see the artwork that is currently ongoing to give some light to this environment. This video was recorded in the month of July, the ending of July 25th. However, we're going to show you what a 1 month change can do. So we are going to be making our way back to the Raytown area and allow you to visualize exactly what is happening. So all of this area encompasses the Raytown community. After we have proceeded past this stoplight, we'll be making our way close to the Manly Meadows community. And majority of the Manly Meadows community is on the left hand side. We're just gonna spin around and allow you to have visual from the opposite angle. So now we're still in the Manly Meadows community, making our way all the way now back to the Raytown community. So you can see some changes that have taken place in this geography. So you just saw what July looked like. Now it's time for us to look what August had in store for us. And the year of this recording is 2022. So we're now in the Raytown community, the Raytown fishing village. And I want you to place your attention to the left hand side as you see the changes taking place. In 3, 2, and 1. If you look at the walls, you can see the bright colors. Indeed, yes. These are some artwork that are taking place on this leg of this section of the highway, which takes us into downtown Kingston. We're gonna have some close-up shots of what is taking place, which I took from another YouTube page, which I will link in the description. It is called Interesting Jamdung. Now we're still in the downtown areas, and you're gonna see what it looks like moving from the other side based on the fact that the truck was skewing our perspective. And now we're down on Lower South Kemp Road. And to our left is Harbour Street, from where we started this journey. Downtown Kingston is currently under development as the government is trying to get people to repopulate the downtown area. Now we're on the opposite side of Lower South Kemp Road. Harbour Street now is on our right hand side. We're making our way back to the downtown central sign, and then we're going to be able to visualize what is taking place in the Raytown area of downtown. And on our left is the adult correctional facility, or we call it the penitentiary. that is a relic of colonialism, which we still hold dear to this day, which should have been obsolete. Now as you look on your right hand, you can see the changes taking place. We're going to allow you now to visualize a video that was done by interesting Jamdung, so you can see exactly what the walls look like, and the link is in the description. Click on it and support that channel as they provide you with coverage of aerial and drone shots. But as for us, at this time we'll make our way all the way to the Harborview area as we traverse Manly Meadows. Enjoy, and thanks for joining us on this session of RoadTripJa, the heartbeat of Jamaica's road. This is Dr. A. Walk, ride, drive, and fly good. Have yourself a blessed day. Until next time.